So venting for the laundry. Then going back here, just want to show you how these doors latch. So the door latches nicely, opens nicely. Latches nicely, opens nicely. Same thing with the windows. So the windows open. Now your trim kits. This is one of the last trim kits to go in. But you can see it gets tied down or bolted down, and then we silicone. You can see this. We silicone right here, and then that, after we get a good seal, that finishes the process. So he'll grind off that nut and then silicone it, and that's it. Here's your hot and cold water. So there, nice and hot. There, nice and cool. Then mix them. Ooh, perfect.